Hello guys, Rob here. The anti-mining token airdrop is now live. This is similar to a concept that was talked about on the channel months ago, where instead of mining, sending as many transactions as you can with your stake to receive an airdrop, you receive tokens for not sending transactions to mine a token. So the anti-mining token, or AMT, believe it or not, is from the same people that brought us IDOS. You can see here the IDOS website, get your free IDOS. Now they have released the anti-mining token airdrop. So I never thought I'd see the day when it was the IDOS team that released this token, but hey, they have. So let's read a little bit more about it and show you how to claim yours. So the AMT, or anti-mining token, is the opposite of IDOS. Instead of using CPU to take part in this airdrop, you give up your CPU by staking EOS in REX. Starting a couple days ago, Monday, March 2nd, 2020, 20 AMT tokens will be minted every second. 18 of it will be stored in an airdrop pool and 2 will be given to the IDOS team. You can claim a portion of this pool by sending any amount of EOS to the account named Airdrop to REX. Your EOS will instantly be returned together with some AMT tokens, which is proportional to your REX divided by total REX. So what this is an airdrop that you can perform, send a transaction, one transaction every 24 hours. And based on the amount of EOS you have in REX, you'll be given a certain percentage of the current AMT token pool. So if you own 1% of all EOS in REX, so I think it's like, let's just say 70 million right now in REX. You own 700,000 EOS in REX, you will get 1% of the AMT pool every day, every time you claim, every 24 hours. If you own 7 million of a total 70 million EOS in REX, you will get 10% of the current AMT pool every time you claim, every 24 hours. So if you own 1% of all REX, then you get 1% of what's in the AMT pool at the time you claimed. Each time you claim AMT, it will be recorded and you can claim again after 24 hours. The minting of AMT will go until 1 billion tokens are created. So this is, like the EOS account is named, an airdrop to REX. Every 24 hours, you can send any amount of EOS to the account Airdrop to REX, and based on the amount of EOS you have in REX, divided by the total amount of EOS in REX, you will be given that percentage of AMT tokens that are in the current pool. And they say AMT tokens will later be used as a utility for another project that we are working with. Let's look at the Airdrop to REX account. Here it is, Airdrop to REX. And here is the current supply in the pool. So if you sent any amount of EOS to this account, Airdrop to REX right now, and you had 1% of EOS in REX, meaning you have 1% of the total supply of EOS in REX, you would get 1% of this number here. So I'll just quickly go over how to do this. It's very easy. Airdrop to REX is the account you want to send to. So I'm just going to use blocks for this as an example. Now the send EOS to CML has a very small amount in REX. I have 0.1 EOS in REX. So I'm not sure if that's even enough to get any, but we'll see here in a minute. So I'm going to send to Airdrop to REX any amount of EOS. I'm just going to go with the traditional 0.0001 transfer. I'm not sure if Block's free CPU is working with this or not. We'll go ahead and see. If not, we can turn it off. Okay, it is working with it right now. So let's go back to the account and see what we got. All right, so there we go. I sent that 0.0001 EOS to Airdrop to REX. Airdrop to REX sent me back that 0.0001 and my percentage of the AMT, the current AMT token pool, which was 0.00 0.53 AMT because I only had a small amount in Rex. 0.1. I only had 0.1 EOS in Rex on this account. And it also gives you your next claim 86,400 seconds from now. So 24 hours from now, I can go in and claim again. So there you go, guys. That is the anti-mining token airdrop from the IDOS team, believe it or not. I will put all the instructions into an eosio.support page and then leave a link to that in the description. If you never heard of eosio.support, it is eosio.support. And it is an EOS.io tutorial walkthrough and how-to search engine for tutorials just like this one. If you are looking for how to do something in EOS.io, you can put in what you're looking for here in the search box and search that way, or search by tag as well down here. So that is going to wrap up the anti-mining token airdrop. I think this will have a positive effect on the EOS CPU congestion from all the mining, but I do think it will take some time to see what that effect is going to be. We already have seen some signs of its effect with the recent spike in EOS entering Rex, so it will take some time to see if these new EOS entering Rex were from accounts that were mining. They had all their EOS staked to themselves and were just mining all day long. But now they're switching over to putting their EOS into Rex, stopping their mining, and now participating in the anti-mining token airdrop. So hopefully within the next month we have a clearer picture as to the effect of the AMT token. On another note, on the Telos blockchain there are some new amend proposals. The ratify amend proposals on Telos are governance at its finest, where the community, the token holders, get to decide on changes to core code of the blockchain. Up for vote right now is adjustments to the Telos Works passage thresholds. There are 3 options currently up for voting: quorum 20%, past 50%, quorum 20%, past 55%, and quorum 20% past 65%. To read more on these proposals, you can click on the details section inside Chain Spectre or use the governance tab inside of Squirrel Wallet. So if you are a TLOS token holder, go make your voice heard, cast your vote for one of these or all of them. And if you do not have a Telos account yet, check out the link in the description to this page where you can get your free Telos account. By clicking this button, it'll show you for desktop, mobile, and using the Telegram bot. Accounts are free, loaded with some CPU and net stake, as well as the RAM you need to get your account going. And also on this page, you can read up on different core features of Telos, with the governance section being recently updated. So again, link in the description to this page if you're not on Telos yet and you want to get your free account and participate in the current ratify amend vote that is going on right now. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's it for me for this one, guys. I will see you in the next one.